Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now, sit in the driver's seat with the key, and ensure the ignition is off. Locate the trip/reset button near the instrument cluster. You'll use it to enter reset mode. Make sure the battery reads above 12.2 volts so the car won't interrupt the process. Once done, press and hold the trip button firmly. This is the first actionable move to force the cluster into a service reset handshake. You're setting the car to accept the reset command. With the trip button held, turn the ignition to position 2 but do not crank the engine. This powers the cluster. You'll see the display change. Watch for the service menu or a flashing spanner/service icon which indicates entry. Release the trip button for 1 second, then press it again to scroll options. This sequence confirms the command to the ECU. Repeat short presses until the service interval or resetting prompt appears. This is the detailed execution of the reset sequence. When the reset prompt appears, press and hold the trip button until the service light extinguishes or the display confirms reset. Once done, turn the ignition off, then on again to verify the lamp stays off. If the light persists, make sure you cycled the ignition correctly. Next, try disconnecting the negative battery for about 10 minutes to clear modules. If problems continue, you'll need an OBDROMAN2 scan to find stored fault codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.